Step 9 to 13, Student Visa to Booking of Tickets for Study in Japan. A step-by-step tutorial from the assessment to the actual application. Following the application for Certificate of Eligibility, here is a detailed breakdown of the next steps and what you need to do. Step 9, COE Results Release. If the COE was approved, you will now proceed with the payment of the necessary fees of the program. These are the fees you need to settle. On the other hand, if your COE was denied, your document specialist will receive a notification from your chosen language school about the reason for denial. You may reapply again for the next batch and your document specialist will help you pass in the reapplication. Step 10, Pre-Departure Orientation Seminar or PDOS. This is a mandatory orientation to prepare you for life in Japan. Attend the entire seminar as scheduled by Jellyfish Education Philippines. Key topics: practical advice on banking, healthcare, national health insurance, living arrangements, and emergency procedures. Detailed discussion on Japanese etiquette, local customs, and adherence to immigration and labor laws, rules regarding part-time work. Step 11, Student Visa Application. Upon receiving the original Certificate of Eligibility, your assigned document specialist will proceed with the visa application on your behalf, and all you need to do is to provide the necessary requirements. Standard processing takes up to 5 business days, but may vary depending on the volume of the student visa applicants. Step 12, Flight Booking. Book a one-way flight ticket to your designated port of entry in Japan, ensuring the arrival date is within the COE's validity period. Do not book your flight until your student visa has been issued and affixed in your passport. Wait for explicit confirmation and advice from your document specialist. Step 13, Flying to Japan. Ensure you have packed essential documents, passport with visa, COE, copies of important paperwork, cash or cash in yen. You will then proceed to your initial accommodation to commence your academic journey.